All right, so this is Tuesday, week 9, number 6. Write the ratio of 15, 25 in simplest form. If you guys know, there are 3 different ways we can write this ratio, right? So we can do this way, which is probably the way they wanted us to do it. Just 15 over 25. And then if we want it in simplest form, which it says right here, we're going to have to simplify. So what numbers can go in both these numbers? Well, we know that both are divisible by 5 because they both end in 5. So what's 15 divided by 5? And actually, before we even do that, remember we have to do whatever we do to the top, we have to do to the bottom. So 15 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5. So let's work that out. 15 divided by 5, if you know your math facts, is 3. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. And that, my friends, is this ratio in simplest form. Our next question is evaluate the expression below, simplify your answer. So we have 2/8 times 3/4. Well, this is just multiplying fractions, so you can just go straight across, right? We can go this way, and then these guys multiply each other. But what you might want to do before you do that is simplify. So are there any common factors on these? So 2 and 4. Well, you could divide 4 by 2 evenly, right? So that's 1. So let's cross these off. And what's 2 divided by 2? That should be 1. And what's 4 divided by 2? 2, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So then you just multiply across. What's 1 times 3? And then what's 8 times 2? I'm going to let you guys figure out the answer to that. Question number 8 says, what is the ratio of stars to hearts? Write the ratio 3 different ways. Well, luckily in our classes we learned how to do this in 3 different ways. Well, first let's think about what's it asking for? It's asking for stars and, I'll make it pink actually, hearts, right? So you got to put these in order. So stars over hearts. So how many stars are there? 1, 2, right? So, oops. So we have 2. And then how many hearts do we have? 3. So this is one way of writing it. 2 to 3. The other way is just like I said it right now. You can say 2 to 3. Or you can write the ratio or the colon 2 to 3. Alright. That one's pretty easy to do, right? Actually, I shouldn't have given you the whole answer, but yeah, you're welcome. Number 9. What is the absolute value of negative 1.8? Remember that absolute value is always positive. So you have to think of it as a distance, right? So, and it should look more like this. So it should look like this, right? Absolute value of negative 1.8. We know it's just going to turn it into a positive number. So what's negative 1.8 turn into a positive number? That's going to be your answer. All right, the last one, of course, is the hardest one. Number 10, order from least to greatest. And the reason it's hard is because we have 9 7/8, negative 9.7, 9.87, and negative 9 8/9. So we know the positive numbers are going to be to the right. The negative numbers will be to the left. But we don't know which one's bigger, right? Because we have negative 9.7 and negative 8 9/10. So we have to convert these into either decimals or fractions. So let's see what would be easier. So if we're converting 9 7/8 into a decimal, we can just forget about the 9 and we're just going to do the in and out. So let's see here. We have 7/8. So in and out. So 7 is going to go on the inside. 8 will go on the outside. And then we're just going to divide. So it's going to be in here. Ignore these guys. How many times can 8 go into 7? Well, it can't, right? It's going to be 0. Luckily for us, though, our fix is to add a decimal and add a 0. And if we have it add a decimal here, we're going to have to bring it right up. That's what I did. And now 8 goes into 70 how many times? Well, 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72, so 9 would be too much. So we have 8. 8 times 8, like I said, was 64. Now we subtract 70 minus 64. That'll be 6. We're not done yet. We're going to have to add another 0. Bring it down. So we have 60 now. Now 8 times what is 60? 8 times 8 is 64, so 8 times 7, it's probably going to get us close, right? And it does, because it's 56. We subtract again. We end up with 4. Bring down your other 0. Or add a 0, bring them down. And this becomes, let's see here. Okay, 40. Now 8 times what equals 40? Luckily, it finally ends because of 8 times 5, which equals 40. And we are done. So this fraction, which was 9 7/8, is going to turn into 9.875, right? And then our next number we had was negative 9.7. Our next number we had was 9.87. And our last one is going to be the same type of thing, but you're going to divide 8 by 9 to figure out that decimal. And then you have to put these in order and figure it out. Now, quick question. We have 9.87 and 9.875, right? Which one of these is bigger? Well, if there was an extra number here, it would be 0. So what would be bigger, 9.875 or 9.870? It's going to be this 5, right? So we know this one's the biggest number now. This is the second biggest number, and I'm going to let you guys figure out the last one. All right. I know this one's a little bit tougher, but that's why I guess it will save for last. Good luck.